Here are 3 reasons why the ETG Economics Essence Workshop is the one workshop that all students taking the A-Levels Economics examinations should attend. First of all, we understand that you're worried that how are you going to find the time to cover all the prelim questions. During our Essence Workshop, we cover a good range of 20 prelim questions selected from all the prelim papers across the nation, just so you won't have to. Secondly, if you're looking for an efficient way to study, no worries, we got you, because this will be a full-day Zoom workshop and there will be no traveling required. During this workshop, we'll cover 20 questions across all major topics, and you'll be able to learn about concepts, how to best break down questions, how to structure your answers, and of course, how to create quality evaluations, all in one day. Lastly, we have a track record of helping our A-level students with their examinations, because in 2023, 4 out of 20 questions covered during our Essence Workshop were presented in the A-level examinations in a similar manner. Hurry and register now!